Click on the letters that have the sound I say. D. D.
Nice job. Right.
Ah. Ah.
Good. Great.
F. F.
You did it. Nicely done.
G. G.
Good job. Nice.
B. B.
Good. Nice work.
Now, click on the correct case of the letter I say. Lowercase a. Lowercase a.
Not quite. Try again. Nice.
Uppercase a. Uppercase a.
Very good.
Uppercase G. Uppercase G.
You got it.
Uppercase F. Uppercase F.
That's right.
Uppercase B. Uppercase B.
Well done.
Lowercase g. Lowercase g.
Great job.
Lowercase f. Lowercase f.
Nicely done.
Lowercase b. Lowercase b.
Nice job.
Lowercase d. Lowercase d.
Very good.
Uppercase D. Uppercase D.
Very good.
Let's quickly review how we put sounds together before moving on. Let's put B and A together. First the B, and then the A. Ba. We call this a slide. A slide arrow is drawn left to right underneath the letters. This helps you slide the sounds together. It helps you develop fluency. This slide is ba. Ba. Let's practice a few more slides. Read these slides with me. Ready? Ba. Fa. Da. Ga. Great! Would you like to practice these slides again? Click on the slide you'd like to hear again. Click the next button when you're ready to move on. Ba. Fa. Da. Ga.